Help you.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. How are you?
Great, how can I help you?
Good. I need your help. We have some real serious problems here. My father, ran after me with the belt and beat me with the belt. And some monkeys just tried to kill me. Hello.
Hi, do you need police assistance?
No.
Are you in a safe location to talk right now?
Sure.
Okay, can I get your name down?
My name is Kalidor. Kalidor.
Ador.
Yeah. Well, that's my
And your
name.
last name?
Kalid.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Kalid. Quaid.
K-U-A-I-D?
Quaid.
Okay. With a K or with a Q?
Kalid.
Okay, got it. And so, you said your father was trying to assault you?
Yes. My father, ran after me with the belt and beat me with the belt. And these apes were going to kill me.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, so you said your father ran after you with a belt. Was this today?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And are you seeking shelter? What can I help you with?
I don't know. You tell me. I trust
I
you.
need to know what services you need.
I've only been in this country 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Well, we have a shelter, we have legal services, and we have counseling. What do you think would help you?
Oh.
Okay. And are you here in New?
Yes. Right, exactly.
Okay. So there is a shelter in town that helps men in these situations, and I can give you their phone number. It's called.
How much is that?
I believe it's free. You've just got to call and see if they have spaces right now.
Terrific. I do not have any money.
Are you calling for somebody else?
Huh? What are you talking about?
Calling? I thought I heard someone in the background. I didn't know.
No.
Whenever you're ready for that phone number.
Okay. You tell me.
It's going to be 830. Right.
Good.
So I will give them a call.
Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind.
Sure, go ahead.
The orangutan ran after me with the belt and beat me with the belt. These apes were going to kill me. What do we got to do?
I would involve the police. It sounds like you help.
I threw up many times.
I would call the police if your father is an active threat to you.
Huh? Hold on. I'm sorry. I'll be right back.
I would call
okay?
the police.
Hello? Oh, shit. Bastard. Hello?
Hi, can I get your address?
So sorry about this. Why?
It's fine. Can I get your address?
Why?
Just wanted to get that on our file.
I don't want to go and get into that.
Okay, well, like I was saying, if you're in immediate danger, I think you should call the police.
I can be bothered with that.
Great. Well, then what else can I help you with?
Horigani. 1 second. So sorry about this. Hey. What the
Hi, are you still there? Hello? Hello, sir?
Hello?
Hi, what's going on?
The monkey are trying to kill me. These apes were going to kill me. So why am I still alive?
What's going on there? Do you need help?
I don't know. Some monkeys just tried to kill me.
Can I get your address, please?
I rather don't talk about it, okay?
Okay.
What do you need from us?
These apes were going to kill me.
Okay, but what do you need from us? Can we call 911 for you?
I need your help.
Okay, well, can we call 911?
No.
Well, how can we help you?
with that.
You what?
If you would just give me a second, then I could explain it to you.
Okay, explain to me.
Here's how it works.
I'm sorry?
Here's how it works. I mean, it's like it takes you,
Your first name is
um,
A-L, A-D-L,
Hello, sir? I'm trying to help you. How can I help you?
Salvador. A-I-D, Quaid.
Kalidor. Kalidor.
Yeah, I know that's your name, but how can I help you?
Unloaded, something.
The monkey are trying to kill me.
I know somebody's trying to kill you, but how can we help you? I'm going to call the police.
The non-emergency number.
Why?
If somebody's trying to kill you,
Oh, shit. You bastards!
I think it's a game.
830, what's the phone number?
Here?
630.
Okay, we're going to hang up now.
He said they're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me, then. He said his
father.
Hello?
Hi.
15 shots and then probably 5.
Oh!
Yeah.
Any
I don't know
So why am I still alive? Hello?
Hi.
Did you hear what I just said?
Yeah, I know. How can I help you, though?
So why am I still alive?
Oh. Okay. Can you give me the number he's calling from?
Mm-hmm.
Hello? Answer the question! Please. Did you hear what I just said?
No, I didn't. Repeat it.
So why am I still alive?
Because you matter.
Good.
Yes. Okay, what was your name?
What do
Are
we gotta
you
do?
sick?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have virus.
What's wrong?
I have virus.
You have a virus?
Okay, so
Yes.
call back.
We didn't get an address. You wouldn't.
Thank you so much.
I threw up many times.
You've been throwing up.
Yeah.
You're sick?
Exactly.
Okay. Do you need me to call the ambulance?
No. I can be bothered with that.
Are you here in
Absolutely, yeah. That's right, I am.
or are you at Canyon Lake?
No. I don't
What
want to
about
go
Cleveland,
and get
Ohio?
into that.
Are you in Cleveland, Ohio?
No. What are you talking about?
I don't want to.
Okay, well, if you're not looking for any services, I've got to hang up.
Hold on. Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind. What?